I'd like to buy one of those new PS5 controllers, please. Sure, that'll be $64.99, cash or card. Stick it on the plastic, no problem, that's all gone through. I'll also have one of those controllers. Sure, $64.99, cash or card. Cash, of course. I'm not broke. Okay, $64.99 when you're ready, please. Where's my 5% discount? He paid with his credit card and got 5% cash back as a reward. Didn't you know this?